Hi friends, welcome to Tutor's Funny channel. I just changed as the get student as get all badges. Okay, you have to I forgot to change in my last video tutorial. You have to change it this one because this is appropriate one for the badges. Right, get all function I have finished it. Now let's go for the update part. Right. So update part the same thing the course controller update put mapping you just copy it paste on it batch controller over here. Yeah, this one we have to change it as a update batch. Update batch. Request is coming from where? Batch update detail. Batch update detail. Here I would change it as a batch update detail. It goes to the batch service. Update batch. Okay, so this is the request. Paste it over here. Now you have to make the method which is a update method. So let's go to the batch service IMP. You have to implement this one. So to implement methods, you have to implement that. Right, you have to implement it successfully. This is how you have to make the program very easily. Okay, very easily you have to do it. Right, first you have to the update part. When you go to the course control, you have to check it whether it's a exist or not. First you have to check it this one. This is all the things we just copied from the course update course. The same thing you have to paste on the batch. Batch. Right. First you have check on where you have to check it batch repo. First check it batch repo if it's existing. What's the badge ID is coming here, whether they exist, the badge IDs exist or not. First you have to check it whether the IDs exist or not. Badge ID. Badge ID. If it is exists, go over here. You have to write badge. You have to write badge. You have to check it here, badge repo. Get by ID. Badge update DTO. You have to write this one. Get badge ID. Right. So here we have to write badge. You have to set this one. All things set method to set it. As we are first one, you have to set it as a badge ID. Batch name. Okay, so what are the attributes you have set itself? Batch set batch name. Batch name. You are getting this one. You have to get batch name. After that, we have a second one as a batch set course. You have to write a course. You have the same thing. You have to get it as here. What you have to write it here? Course. Course. You have to write it batch. All right. Course. Right. Course. We have first one. What you're going to do is you have to your batch set course. You have to write update this. We have to check it here. We have to batch set course. You have to write it here. You have to check via the course repo. Okay, so you have to check where the course repo get ID. Get by ID. Right. So here we have a update batch update details. Batch update DTO dot get course ID. Okay, that course this course ID we are checking through the course repo. Okay, we are check through the course repo. Okay, right. After that, we have to batch set course. After that, set duration. Set batch name, start date. That's the things we available. You'll be able to check it the batch table. Batch name, by starting date and course ID. Right. Perfect. That's the thing you have to check it. Here we have to check it the PTT also. Start date. Right. That's it. All right, that's it. Batch of detail dot dot get sorry get started. That's it. That's thing you have, right? This all things you have to save it on it where batch repo dot there's a batch. This is a batch. How to batch save it? Let's get a batch name. Get batch name. Right, get batch name. Here we have a one bracket missing. Right. Now if the all things are correct, first you have to check whether what is the data coming from the front end. Let's check whether the IDs exist or not. Because we are not going to add the new record, the existing record we had updated. So there is a the repo, there is a method called which exists by ID. What this method does is check whether the ID, whether what's the ID is coming in here, the ID matching record is available or not in the database table. If it is exists, it will be setting the particular all the values. What the changes you have made, according to the changes, it will be changed. It is set batch name and set course. Here what I did here is, here we have a foreign key. Foreign key I have to how to update here is set course. You have to get a set course. There we are checking through the repo. Course repo get by ID. After that we are checking like this. After that we have to method we are not going, there is no the ORM that method called update. There is a save again save. Okay, so again save it will be updated. Right, it's return catch batch. That's the thing already. Okay, so if you want, you will be go back to our batch here. Batch it is it's okay. Now let's check it whether it's working fine or not. Let's run on it. What's right? Here again, you have to check it. I accidentally closed them the API request, or let's first check it whether should be the patch there is error or not. Put a patch. There is no error at the moment. So let me check it whether it's working fine or not. Here method there is no error. It's a put mapping. Shouldn't. Okay. Now what you're going to do is here. What the request is? Check on ID. You can check it there. What's the port running? There is a port. So localhost HTTP. Simply you have to HTTP colon local host colon port slash the batch the API comma which method you have to check it update slash update. So here we have a body. Okay, if you have a knowledge about this how to check with the API. Okay, if you are accidentally close. So otherwise, okay, here you think go to the update. Simply you update detail, you go check on select all the things, the methods you have to paste on it. If you accidentally close, you have to write like this. The simple way to implement this. So batch ID, batch name, course ID, starting date, right. Now let's implement the API batch ID. So first you have to select this one. We have to paste it here. I'm going to check the changes. So you have get method. You have to get all batches. You have to let's check it whether it's working fine or not. right? So batch details are coming. You can see here. I want to make the changes number one. Okay, so here click or select this one. Here number one, the batch number one. You have to change this one as a comma, right? So you have to colon, comma. You have to write here batch name, whatever name. You have to change this one as a what is it? Sorry, what's the API coming? Get all. This one I'm going to change this one as a batch 10. I just change it 10 B0 like this. Course ID, the same course ID. Okay, this course ID, what's the course ID? You have to edit it here. Uh, where's my save method? Course. The Angular we will be able to select, okay, the front end, all the chaoses are listed. Okay, only the front end checking tool, we have to check it whether the course is available or not. We can't put the ID without a course. Okay, so it will be checked what the course ID it is. The course ID is 2. The course ID, only the course ID 2. Otherwise, it will generate there if it is right. So after that, starting date, we will change it as okay, charge starting date. Starting date. Okay, so we have to change the starting date by starting date. We have run the API also there. The starting date, this starting date 22 subdate. So let's copy it. Right, it's working here. It will be updating successfully. Now you'll be able to see it's updating. You'll be able to see it's updating successfully. Here it's updating. B001, change it as this is the date, change it, course side. Right, perfect. It's working. Perfect. Now you have a clear understand how the uh, edit method works. Okay, so edit, update method. Right, now let's look at the delete as well. So let's delete mapping. I just copy this delete mapping here, paste on it. Delete by ID. Go. This one should be batch ID. The batch. This one should be batch service. Because ID is coming from here. It's a delete batch. Okay, delete batch. So you click the method which is a delete batch, right? So the batch we have to be batch impl. Go over here. We have to implementation the method. Here we have a call the delete method. Copy this, paste on it. This one should be the batch repo. What's the ID is coming here? What's the ID? What is here? This already I have explained this one. What's the ID of coming from the front end? It's sending to the service. Service will be passing to the service IMPL, get the ID. It will be passing to the report to delete the record. The ID is to delete the record. Okay, so the ID is a batch report. Okay, that's it. Now let's check it. So the API you have to write like this way. This is a delete. Mapping is deleted. So update put method here. So delete method. Batch delete. So here you have to copy this, the same thing. One. Okay. If you click on this, that's a problem. It's working now. Here's no problem. Now let's check it. Right. Right. Here deleted. It's working. Now if you go to the number one, whether it's working, delete or not this record, just click send it. Here the record has been deleted. Now the badge has been deleted. It's working. What we expected. Okay, so these all things you have to make it yourself. Then only you will be able to make the Spring Boot application master level. Thank you for watching.